Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload documents to Google Drive. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up Google Drive, and after it loads, it's going to open up in the suggested menu here. From here we just have to tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner and then tap on upload. Now we can select from where we want to upload stuff to our Google Drive account. We can select my files and then browse our device to find the document that we want to upload, or we can just go into gallery or images or audio, whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.